Okay, so this is the FluentPet tester kit. So this comes with 2 hex tiles and 2 sound buttons. I've always wanted to try these. They look so interesting, so cool. We have a big Doberman, and you know, dogs are smart, so I wanted to give it a try. So it comes with 2 buttons, and then they just go in these little slots. I'll open this up and show you. It comes with instructions. The boxing is really great, cute. Let's teach them to talk. A quick start guide. It comes with a bunch of stickers that you can add to your buttons. And some safety information. It comes with a little tiny screwdriver that I'm assuming these have batteries in them, but if we use them enough, we'll need to change the batteries, so that's what that's for. These have a sticky bottom surface. So to record, super easy. See, there's that black button on the side. You put it to the left, push down the button. When it beeps, you record your sound. So I started with outside, and the sound is pretty clear.
Outside.
So there you go, that's that one. And play.
Play.
My dog was pushing this button like the minute that I put it down, just because he was curious about the sound and stuff. The one tip that they gave, which I thought was really smart, and I probably wouldn't have known any better, was not to start with treat or food, because then they'll just be obsessed with getting treats. So we started with outside and play, and we'll see how it goes. If he seems to like them, then we'll add some more buttons, and you can obviously add more tiles and kind of branch out into different subjects. Each tile holds 6 buttons. And so I guess the idea is each tile you want to be kind of, you know, this is about outside. So outside, maybe potty, walk, stuff like that, play, ball. And then you can have another tile for, you know, food and like people, mom, dad, stuff like that. So I thought it was really cool. They're well made, sturdy, and they look nice too. So yeah, definitely recommend.